go driving. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. My name is Cody, this is Crushin Gears, and we have, as Stratman would say, views on views. Let's just carefully walk back here. It's been a minute since I saw you guys, so hopefully all is doing well. This is filmed during COVID, so hopefully you guys are staying safe. I'm keeping my distance. I don't have a mask on because I'm filming for you guys, but oh, look at the 600. Oh, that's so great. Okay, let's get down here and take some more look at these cars. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that told me.
Man, the 720 is nice. Got the glass roof there. Maybe someday to the channel, who knows. Love this blue. I think it's water. This beautiful, beautiful Evo Spider. A nice orange. See, my favorite thing is the exhaust from the Performante, along with those rims. Ooh. Got the updated interior with the infotainment system, and these seats are gorgeous. Man, this is, aside from the 600, this is like, actually, you know what? I would say this is better than the LP610-4 that I had.
Shit, tell me, maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far.
Got this crazy thing here. This is like a mini go-kart. This thing must be sick to drive. Convertible big one. Wide body. No steering wheel.
Got tired of it, yeah.
I love this green. This green is sick. Look how big this emblem is. Here we got the Alpha 4C. This is such an amazing car. For the money, weighs nothing, goes quick. I thought about picking one of these up. Oh, this sounds so good.
Back there. I'm buying another one for it.
photo shoot.
Everybody, get out of your cars, get out of there!
Look at this sick SV. Oh, it's got the lines going around it. Oh, this is definitely lowered. The white on white looks sick. Brixton. Oh man, the Brixton. I don't know how I feel. They're okay. I like them. I don't know. This thing, man, this thing's amazing. This thing sounds so sick. It's even got the little pinstripes in white. That's sick. That's some decals. You can wreck this car. But that's, oh man, this is such a sick wrap. I don't know if the camera's picking up the poop. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to crush that like button. Make sure to crush that subscribe button down below or in your corner there. And hopefully there's more of these this summer. You know, with COVID being on the run, we don't know how many we're going to get. But thank you for watching this video and taking your time out of your day. I hope you guys and your family are doing well. And like always, I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Alright, you guys ready? A bit of a photo shoot.